ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಇವರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಷನ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಬಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಗರದ ಜೆಕೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಕೆ ರಮೇಶ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಯಾಂಜೋ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಜಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಎಂ ಮಾದಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ given Senate members and Vice Chancellor to giving the opportunity for the allied graduates. And we are always abide, Sigma Foundation, abide for the rules and regulation of the Rajiv Gandhi University, sir. And thank you very much for all the parents trusting Sigma Foundation and join this institution.
The fresh entrants, the nursing students, you did the lamp lighting ceremony today. May I know why it's done? Anybody? What is the significance of lamp lighting ceremony? Any of you? See, in India, you know, all the functions are started with lighting the lamp, because that's our custom, our tradition. We feel that we drive away the darkness by lighting the light. But why only nursing graduates, nursing first year students do the lamp lighting ceremony? And that too, in remembrance of Florence Nightingale. So there must be some reason, no? Who is Florence Nightingale? Anybody? And why is she so famous? You heard of her name? Must be, because the photo is there. Why are you celebrating her day? I think her birthday is on May 12th. So why are you remembering on the day of your entrance to the college? There must be reason, right? See, you all have a degree course. You have joined for BSc Nursing. It's a structured one. First year course, second year, third year, fourth year, and now I think semester scheme has been introduced. You go through rigorous training. You are posted to different hospitals, like your Manjunatha is reading. You are posted to different specialities. During the time of Florence Nightingale in mid-18th century, there was nothing like that. The concept of present nursing care was not there. She laid the foundation for the development of nursing profession. The hygiene, hand washing, care, empathy, all those things were embodied by her. That's one reason.
ಇನ್ನು ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ 3 ಮತ್ತು 4ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಓಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿಯನ್ನ ಗಣ್ಯರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಇನ್ನಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.